Hi, it's Therese from Lostinpaper and I'm here for Scrapbook Boutique and a collab with Louise. This is part 2 and this one's all about colouring. I'm colouring some images from a Neat Tangled set called Go Wild, and I'm using my Misty to stamp them out, and because I'm going to colour with some Copic markers today, I have got my Memento Tuxedo Black. So why I use my Misty is that I can come back in and restamp the outline of the images after I've done the colouring, and I find that this gives such a good crisp look to the images. Alright, I decided to do pretty much one of each image out of the pack. Now if you've been to Louise's YouTube channel or blog, you know that she's a scrapbooker, and the request was to create some teal flowers, and that's in the part 1 video. So I've created a stack of flowers and given you some tips and techniques for doing multiple flower stamp layering with the Misty, and that's using an Altenew set called Flower Arrangement. So I'll link that video below and at the end of this video, so you can head to there and check that out. I'll also link Louise's video so you can head on over to her YouTube channel and see what she creates using these images and the flowers that I created for her. So I thought it would be wise to sort of, because I presume, I don't know what she's going to do with all of this, but I presume she's going to hopefully, maybe, I don't know, put them together on a scrapbook layout. And that's why I did quite a few images. That way it gives her a choice to use either as few or as many as she wants. And that's why I brought the teal colours into these images as well, because I figured if she is going to combine them together on the scrapbook layout, that is the flowers and these images, then at least they are going to match a little bit. So I have used the same colours throughout all of these images. I'll have most of the lids off to the side, otherwise you can head through the link below and I will list all the colours at my blog. The other thing that I'll just quickly mention before I turn some music on is that I do come in, like I colour with the Copics, but then I do come in and add my shading with some coloured pencils. Mostly I come in with some blacks and browns, but I did actually add some highlights with the pinks as well. Okay, I'll be back real soon. Right, so I've popped the images back into the Misty. I'm adding some Onyx Black ink to the stamps and I'll stamp it out. I just really like how this ink stamps out. It's a really fast drying bold black pigment ink. And I did actually fussy cut all of these images out, so I sent them to her, hopefully ready to go. And stamped a couple of sentiments too. So don't forget to head to Louise's YouTube channel, and if you haven't checked out my flower video already, I'll link that at the end as well. Hope you've had some fun today. I'll be back again real soon. Till next time, happy paper crafting. Bye.